Hello boys and girls, I'm finishing up a valve job on this little D15B7 engine, and I wanted to show you something to help in a valve adjustment for anybody that's possibly looking to do a valve adjustment or a valve lash adjustment on one of these Hondas. Again, it's a D15B7, something I do to kind of simplify the whole process, and I'm going to show you how it works. In case you don't know, guys, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, first thing you want to do is you want to bring up your top dead center on the number 1, and of course everybody knows you can access it from your cam sprocket timing and so on and so forth, and all that works. And some people have issues with being able to find it because you don't have the up on some of them, as this one doesn't. So here's a little trick of something that I do. This is an extension. I stick it down in there, and I find my number 1, which I brought it up. There's the number 1 cylinder at TDC, at top dead center. So what I would do is I'd adjust my valves, which I've already done, and it's 9 on the exhaust side, 7 on the intake side. Exhaust, intake. Once I've got the valves done, what you do is you go from 1 to 3. And again, like I've said, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you would take it out and put it in 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be low on this one. Again, access your ratchet that's on your crank pulley. And by the way, it's a 17 mil on the crank pulley bolt. And you're going to want to run this counterclockwise, guys. So if you're on that deal, you're going to turn it to the left. So counterclockwise is going to bring that piston up. And there it is at the very top. There's your number 3. Again, you do 1, 3, 4. Same thing. Do your valve adjustment on this, go to 4. Then you got your 4. And again, come back to your crank pulley, rotate it around. If you have your ratchet sitting straight up, you'll generally go about a quarter turn around. It's going to bring that piston up. Here comes the piston up. It's a good way to find the top of that piston. All right, guys, do your valve adjustment. Again, 9 on the exhaust side, 7 on the intake side. So now that you've completed your 4, you're going to go back to 2. This is your number 2. Rotate it around. If you run your ratchet back around to the top, it's going to come around about a quarter turn. Bring it up to the top. There it is. Do your valves. Again, 9, 7. Get your valves done. Clean your valve cover up, new gasket, and you're good to go, guys. I hope this helps somebody. Thank you.